you wear your Apple Watch, every movement counts towards a more active life. Here's how to track your activity and close your rings every day. We'll show you how to view your activity metrics in the Activity app on your Apple Watch and in the Fitness app on your iPhone. Let's start with the Activity app on your watch. Open the Activity app on your Apple Watch to get a quick glimpse of your activity rings. The red Move ring tracks all of your active calories as you move throughout your day, whether you're going outside to get the mail, cleaning the house, or dancing around your living room. The green Exercise ring shows you how many minutes of brisk activity you've completed, whether you're out on a walk, taking the stairs, or exercising with the Workout app. The blue ring tracks how frequently you stand or roll. If you've been stationary for too long, your watch will nudge you to move around for at least 1 minute per hour. You'll close each ring when you hit your goal for the day. Want more details about your daily activity? Scroll down to see how close you are to meeting your goals. And keep scrolling to see your total steps or pushes, distance covered, flights of stairs you've climbed, and workouts you've completed. You can also tap to check up on your weekly progress or change your goals. You can customize each goal based on how active you are or how active you'd like to be. If you're sharing your activity with friends, swipe left to check their progress for the day. Tap a contact to see their rings, and scroll down to challenge them to a little friendly competition. Tap the arrow to go back. Swipe left one more time to see the awards you've earned, and scroll down to see more of your badges. Some awards can be earned multiple times, so get ready to break your own record. Your Apple Watch syncs all this information to the Fitness app on your iPhone, making it easy for you to look back at your activity and workout history to really track your progress. Let's take a look. In the Summary tab, you'll see your activity and ring progress for the day, along with a quick peek at your last 3 workouts. Scroll down to take a look at your trends. Trends give you a quick snapshot of how you're doing on your move, exercise, and stand or roll goals over time, as well as other key metrics compared to your past performance. If an arrow is pointing up, you're right on track. If it's pointing down, tap the arrow to get a coaching tip to help turn it around. And at the bottom of the page, you'll see your hard-earned awards. For any section on the Summary page, you can tap Show More to take a closer look. Tap the Sharing tab to see more details about your friend's activity over time. And to share your activity with another friend, just tap the plus sign in the upper right corner. Close your rings, earn a shiny award, and keep track of it all using the Fitness app on your iPhone and the Activity app on your Apple Watch.